Hello everybody, it's Optimus 320 and today is going to be another episode, but I really want to do vanilla survival. This is technically vanilla survival, but it's totally different oh my gosh, what is that? I know what it is. I've seen the seed before. So guys, if you're wondering, Optimus, where in the world are you? And I'm going to be like, okay, this is a preset. And this is going to be called Mineshaft Survival, although Turtle Derp already took it, so I'm going to do, diamonds right there, see? We already found our first diamonds, guys. And then, not even 30 blocks away, there's like 1, 2. Problem? Wood. Problem? Food. And guys, this is going to be pretty hard, so there's probably going to be a lot of, a lot of survival. I might be doing a survival series with General. I just don't know what the server IP is yet, so we're just going to have to figure out something on that one. But yeah, so without further ado, it's time for our oh my gosh, there's more diamonds here. We can just get like full diamond right away. One problem is how we're gonna get there. Oh, no, I thought that was dirt. Okay. One problem. How are we gonna get food? Our only source of food is from these villager farms. So we really need to conserve the farms. That kind of got broken there, but cheers. So there is a blacksmith here. Oh my gosh, there's a zombie. Oh man, we got some pretty good stuff in this stuff. So great start. We don't have wood. Time to kill the zombie. Good. We have one. So we have some boots. We got some food, some saplings. So I guess we can grow some trees. So I'm gonna plant mine right there. Some more right there. And maybe like, oh man, I don't want to run. I'm just gonna walk because I really want to conserve apples. Because there's not a lot of wheat that's fully grown. Because my strategy is to conserve that wheat there. Oh, Mr. Slime, how you doing? Oh, you ruined my boots. How dare you? And we got some early XP and some slime balls. That's good. And I'm gonna tell you, there's gonna be a lot of time. We're gonna spend a lot of time killing slimes. So let's eat an apple. How are we gonna get up there? Seriously, how? We can go get some dirt. Because we're gonna go gather some wood up there. And then we can probably make, something. We can probably make ourselves a crafting table. Because we really need a crafting table. I hear slimes everywhere. Punching the ground with my fists. Alright? Yes. So we got 22 pieces of dirt. So once we get that, we can... Oh man, we got some carrots here. Oh my gosh, that slime is ridiculously fast. Oh, come on, stop it. Stop trampling the crops. You gotta be serious. Stop killing the crops. On the bright side, we got some food. I trampled the crops. I want to trample the crops so badly. Okay. Got some food to start us out with. Okay. We got 5 apples, 10 carrots that we just trampled on. Anything else we can explore around here that we might be useful? Okay. So before we get up here, I just want to go say, oh, we can get, blacksmith. 22 coal for some emeralds. That's a bit useless. But we can use the emeralds that we... Oh yes, we got some wood here. That's good. And then we're gonna go explore. But one problem, how are we gonna get a bed? So that's the problem. So I got 4, so let's go make ourselves a crafting table, because that's what we desperately need. We need a couple more for some sticks. Because this mineshaft is basically our only source of wood. And we have tons of wood. Once we get an axe. Oh. Alright. Let's place down the crafting table. We want to get an axe first. Some sticks. Sticks. And axe. Good. So now we can get rid of this and get more stuff. And we're gonna go explore that mineshaft we saw up there. So we have quite a bit. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go up from here. Oh, hi zombie. I can see that zombie. So we have this. So let's gather some rails. I'm just gonna. Oh, minecart with a chest. We got some coal, got some pumpkin seeds, and we're gonna get both of those. So this is a pretty good start, guys. We just got some coal. Oh, we can make a pickaxe so we can get back down there. Pickaxe. Where's the pickaxe? Oh my gosh, I derped. I have to make the pickaxe. Guys, you just saw me derp there. Totally derped. I just derped. Okay. And guys, once we get there, it's gonna be pretty high. We're gonna need to get a lot of stuff because we're gonna enter from there. We're gonna enter to the top, so we're gonna need lots of dirt. Oh, here's another one. No! Oh, iron. Yes. I almost dropped it. I'm like, oh shoot. Oh man, I almost fell too. So we have enough. Oh my gosh, we can. Oh my gosh. We are so far in here. We're so far into the series. It's like super easy now. What our biggest struggle is probably going to be the food and finding something. It might be a pretty easy series, but sticks, cool, yes. So let's gather some more wood because we're gonna get back down there. So let's just explore this mine some more. I would explore the mine some more, but I think we have enough material so we can go grab those diamonds. Alright. And we got 11. Not enough for my tastes. We need to get more wood because we're going to be hanging around here for a little bit. Well, I'll put myself in an awkward situation. Actually, no. Oh. I went a little overboard with my jumping. Now, guys, here comes nighttime. So probably gonna be the toughest experience. Oh, jeez. Where's my sword when you need it? Get away from Mr. Optimus. No. Can't touch this. You can't touch this. You just can't. Can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't actually just. Oh man! Oh! Run! Oh. They could touch me. They can touch me. Oh my gosh. Oh. So guys, I think I should. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the meantime. I'm just gonna sit here and regen, I guess. But we can make full diamonds if we find enough. Obsidian's gonna be pretty hard, and we need to go to the Nether to find to get blazes and everything. It's gonna be pretty hard to find obsidian. It's easy to get good stuff, but it's hard to get the essential stuff. So I did not put cheats on. See, I'm gonna switch to. See, I'm gonna type in time set 0. Nope. So I'm gonna have to face the night myself. So I am gonna make a stick. No, some torches. Oh man, lag. Oh my gosh, can't even put down the torch. So you can put one down there. You can put one down here. You can put one down there. So we got some easy lighting. So I don't know why I put that torch there, but it's gonna be a long time before we can get back there. Oh. I can just connect this stuff here. And then we have that. So this will be my stairway to this mineshaft. Awesome. We got that torch. Yes. I placed down the torch. Now let's go explore the mines. Oh man, glitched out torches. I am lagging. Oh. What have I gotten myself into? Okay. Oh! Zombie! How you doing? Oh, you're running away from me now. Good. So, some early XP. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is so helpful. Have some light. I don't really want to jump there. But having a torch here is really helpful. I know I'm not jumping down there. That's probably going to be the most boring 10 minutes of your life because... Is that a witch? That's a witch. See that thing down there? It's a witch. Sorry guys, I don't have Optifine on. But it's a witch. It's a witch. I'm gonna wait until it's daytime. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to find my way so I can find myself some chests. That blacksmith though was actually pretty good. It actually helped me get started in the world. So I got some apples for me, some trees so I can start growing some things. You can see those saplings down there. You can kind of see them closely. If you look closely then you can see those saplings. And yeah, Oh, we found it. We found one. Oh, that's really depressing. I have to barge my way up here. Don't worry. I'm gonna use these oak wood planks I got. Oh, there's always more. Alright, this is for getting this chest here. Oh, best chest ever. That was like the highlights of this video. Probably the highlights. Alright, let's put a torch down. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we went for that chest. It actually had good stuff in it. I feel so accomplished now. Alright, let's just chow down on some stuff. And we'll get our crafting table out and make ourselves a diamond sword. Yeah, we got ourselves a diamond sword. How awesome is that? I only have 7 planks left. So I'm gonna go. Wait, what level are we? We're at level 18-ish. We're level 17 now, so we're near diamond level. So down there is like diamond level. But since it's like by bedrock level in reality, but because oh jeez, I hear a villager dying. Is it just me or I hear a villager dying? But oh jeez. Oh man, there's a creeper. I don't want to be with that creeper. Please don't let me. Alright. I'm just gonna go grab myself some wood. And then we'll try to head back. How do we get back there and not die? I probably need to be stealthy. Oh, I know. We can start jumping from the rooftops like a ninja. That did not sound cool. Oh jeez. Horde of zombies. Oh. Don't hurt me. Come to Papa. You're not hurting that little villager. He was my friend. Okay, here we go then. Are you okay, little buddy? Okay. Is it? Oh yes, just a glimpse of daylight. And we used quite a bit of the durability. Who cares? I don't care about the iron boots, but kind of do need to use it though, cause there's that dreadful witch down there. And then we can go grab ourselves a diamond pickaxe. Oh, here's a bat. Yeah, 48. Use 1 durability because I killed that bat. I don't know if it's safe to go out yet. I think it should be safe. Is it? Yes, I should say it's safe to go out now. So, well, just in case, let's go grab ourselves this diamond sword, and we'll go attack that witch head on. Ah! No! Yeah. I just slaughtered that witch. Now, where were those diamonds? Villager, keep running. Oh! This is what I have to deal every day, and every time I do this survival series. Slimes. Good news is I have slime balls now. Only if there was like some kind of mod compatible with, I can use some mods to involve slime balls and everything. Oh, those slimes are so fast. Okay, okay. Diamonds. Our first diamonds, guys. Our first diamonds. Actually, this is not our first diamonds. Let's just go grab this iron first. I want to grab all like the iron and everything. So we got 7, so we can make ourselves some pants. There we go. Now we got some kind of better protection. Oh, owned. There's an Enderman right there. What can I get? What can I get? Where's the diamonds? Oh, it's probably like all the way across. Oh my gosh, I need to eat. Alright, let's just go grab some wheat here. Some carrots. Some more wheat. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, just get owned. Get owned. It's gonna be so hard trying to keep these slimes off your property. So what I'm thinking is that we get enough wood. If we can make some kind of farm. I have 3 saplings left. So there's no grass, but I think we can make some trees. If we can kill some skeletons, we can make some bone meal and start our tree farm. See, there's bedrock level, but because bedrock, I have bedrock fog enabled. Because there's like skylight up there. There's no bedrock fog. So I already have 11 experience. So all I need is an enchantment table, and I need lapis. Since we're in 1.8, we need lapis to enchant stuff. Oh, here's Enderman. Oh. Oh, we got a lot. We got 45 right there. Here's some more diamonds. There's like 4 more right here. No, not 4. 5. Oh my gosh. Enderman, don't look at the Enderman. I just mined all of that. Oh, Mr. Slime. I really hate dealing with these slimes. You know what? I'm gonna punch him with crafting. Die. I'm gonna punch him with wheat. Now my wheat's slimy. So we need at least enough carrots to survive us quite a bit. So let's get our crafting. You know, I want to, since we need at least 3. Oh, I found a skeleton. We got some bones. Why waste durability on a diamond sword when you can punch these little guys with your iron sword? first, let's go deal with this slime. Oh my gosh. They hit me right when they spawned. Mean. Alright, let's go get these diamonds. 9. Yeah, 9. Not bad for our first day in this world. 9 diamonds is not bad actually. So let's go grab this lapis, cause we're gonna need it to enchant stuff once we get enough obsidian. Oh, we're gonna need to go grab those we're gonna need to go grab. And the villages are our only source of water. And the lava, the blacksmith is our only source. Let's grab some gold. Let's go grab some more diamonds. Oh man, we hit jackpot with this one. 18, so let's go make ourselves some gear. Those slimes are creeping me out. Oh man, we just have enough to make ourselves some good stuff. Yes, we got full diamond the first day, but that's kind of normal for this world. So let's see, we can go make ourselves some sticks, unless we have sticks in here. No, we don't. No, we don't. We ran out. Okay. So let's go make ourselves a diamond shovel so we can mine dirt a bit easier. And thank you very much. More diamonds. Soon finding diamonds is gonna be like very boring. Okay. Okay. So let's see what we have here. Running in a... Oh. Quickly, mine the diamonds. Oh. Oh. You wanna go? You really wanna go? You wanna go? Stop jumping on my diamonds. You're making it slimy. Making my diamonds slimy. Oh my gosh, do I seriously have to deal with another one? Oh, come on, I was in the middle of eating an apple, no fair. So many slimes. Iron sword time, iron sword time. Oh, come on, another big one. I really hate it when slimes multiply like this. I get so many slime balls. I don't want them. Sorry, I don't want them. I'll give you it back. Ah, 11 diamonds. And see, guys, it improves them right. Diamonds does sometimes spawn by gold. Oh, redstone. I have a technique to getting up there. But first, let's go make ourselves some food. Are you serious? Stop getting near me! I'm getting so frustrated right now. Stop it! 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 Okay. Now that we're not interrupted, we can make 5 pieces of bread. I'm on the verge of turning this into peaceful, but I'm not. They're lucky. They're lucky I'm not going to turn it into peaceful. They are very much lucky. I just passed by, I said, oh my gosh, look at that, there's another one. We get all the sandstone. So this is our only way of getting back up there. So as soon as my pickaxe is about to run out, wait, I can go make, I still have some sticks left. I'm gonna go make some torches. Just leave a torch like up there. No. Boop, 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 boop. And boop, 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 boop. This is gonna be one long trip. Wait, this is gonna be one long way up. Whew. It's gonna be painful. It's gonna be long. I think we're all up. No. Can't believe we're not all the way up yet. We're almost up. Alright. So let's keep going here. Oh. Come on. How long is it gonna take before we... Oh. That was dangerous. This thing just a little more. And as soon as I say that, it's probably gonna be like, oh. Never mind. Okay, so we reached the sand temple. Oh! Hey, skeleton! Oh, jeez, it's a creeper. Jeepers creepers, there's 2 of them. Oh. Oh my gosh, I was like scared, like out of my mind scared. There was 2 creepers. I really hate creepers. Ugh. Ouch. I really had to do that. Because that pressure plate was dangerous. So we got some gold. I can store my stuff in here. Rotten flesh. No. Saddles. And I'm not sure if we're going to need saddles. 3 emeralds. And projectile protection. I might actually use that. Some diamonds. Nice. And under here should be us. Should give ourselves some TNT. TNT. Yeah, breaking him instantly like a boss. Think that's it. I think I'll put projectile protection on my. I don't know. I'd rather have protection, but. Oh, I have an axe. I forgot. Oh, while we're down here, we can just put ourselves on a crafting table. Get ourselves an axe. Not just any axe. It's a diamond axe. Oh, come on. Forgot I'd have to actually make some more sticks. I'm gonna make ourselves enough sticks to last us a couple of crafting times. There we go. We got a diamond axe. We can replace it for a wooden one. Okay. I think we can go make ourselves a diamond pickaxe. Oh yeah. Let's replace our iron one. And let's go get ourselves some chests, because we are going to settle somewhere somehow. I won't see any animals anytime soon. How am I gonna get back up? Give me my crafting table back. Give me my crafting table back. Come on, give me my crafting table back. Give me... Oh, there it is. I really need to reorganize my inventory. I really do. So after I get up here, it's probably going to be the end of the video. And we are back up. Oh, not yet. But and there's 3 more torches we can use. We're gonna light up this area because this we're gonna stay for a little bit. So, guys, I think that will be it for today. So please leave a comment and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys later. Oh.